Hey up guys, it's Joe from Jordanbikes. Check this little bad boy out. It's a Honda CRF1000, also known as the Africa Twin. Lovely bike is this one, super clean, 4,056 miles, and it's a 2017 on a 67 plate. DCT model is this one, so you can literally just whack it open, off you go, and it'll just go through gears itself. You can mess around with it a little bit, go up and down gears just with buttons, but yeah, automatic bike, super cool. So with these you get ABS, you get traction control, you get that little G button as well there, so you press that bit of DCT and it lets it rev right up. Cool bike. It's got heated grips as well as this one. What else has it got on it? It's got the Touratech engine bar as well, so I'm told there, so plenty of protection. Let's give it a start up. Beast. If you have a look at the front as well, you get all the LEDs on it. Just a proper cool bike, real good seller this year as well. So if you want it, do be quick, get on phone to us, or just pop yourself down to Jordanbikes and get it bought. See you very soon.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.